Hey everybody, my name is Martin, and welcome to the first video of the Unbox Nerds. Now, before we talk about the items in front of us today, I gotta warn you, because these items are in front of me, I'm not using them. So right now I'm just using the ZDO smartphone rig, which I just got today, luckily, before I started filming this. But we'll just use this as kind of a before and after YouTube video. We'll kind of show you what it's like before we have the VideoMicro and before we have the video lighting kit from Neewer. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. All right, now this is the VideoMicro. This is a compact microphone designed to improve the audio quality of your videos, which I will add is not what you are hearing right now. Right now you're just hearing just a regular microphone on my Samsung Galaxy S7. All right, so now I've already opened this. I've already cut the tape off for the convenience of this video. So we're just gonna go ahead and pull this out right now. All right, now we'll talk about that in a second. Oh, it almost came out. Let's put it back in there. So now first, this is the Rycote Lear shock mount. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Basically helps reduce vibration, which can be picked up from any movement you'll make when operating the camera or phone or anything like that. So this will basically stop it. As you can see here, it kind of wobbles, so it'll stop any vibration from coming in. So that's what that is right there. And it does have a hot shoe mount on it, standard, so you can pretty much attach this to the top of your camera, or if you have a mount, you can attach it to that as well. Next up, you get the TRS to TRS cable. I'm not going to be using this. You'll find out why in a little bit. I'm going to put that aside. You get a silica gel packet. You don't need these, just throw these away. We get the instruction manual, which tells you all about the microphone and how to use it and all that stuff, but we're just going to put that aside. All right, so next up, let's move that away. This is the microphone right here. It's fairly small. This is pretty much it. So this is it right here. Now for an on-camera microphone, this is not bad at all. You know, it has a little bit of a weight to it. It's not too bad. It only weighs in at about 42 grams or 1.50 ounces. And is only 3 inches in length. We've got the port right here for your 3mm jack. Like I said, I'm not using the one that came with it. And your microphone right there. And that's that. This thing's shedding. And no, this is not a tribble from Star Trek. Right? Even though it does kind of look like one. A little darker. This is what they call a windsock or a furry windshield. Yeah, I prefer to call it a windsock, which has a foam inner cell and is designed to use in an outdoor scenario. So like basically you're finding wind or any kind of environmental noise, which can cause an issue with recordings. So basically it just pops in like that and that's it. So it also can act as a pop filter. So if the mic's really close to you, you're not going to hear any like hard P's or anything like that. So that's that right there. If you're using a regular camera like a DSLR or a camcorder, you're gonna be just fine. You won't need anything else but whatever's in here. But if you're like me and you're using your cell phone to record videos, then you're gonna be needing this. This is a Rode SC7 3.5mm TRS to TRRS patch cable. This patch cable will allow anyone with a smartphone to plug this right into your headphone jack, if you have one that is. Now, you may be asking yourself, why do I need to buy this cable? Well, with a smartphone, your headphone jack is a TRRS connection. And TRRS stands for tip, ring, ring, sleeve. But the microphone cable is a TRS, which stands for tip, ring, sleeve. Now, for your phone to be able to register this microphone as just that, a microphone, you need this special cable which converts the mic signal from TRS, which is right here, to TRRS. So that's what that is, and that's the microphone. So we're going to be turning this on later. So I'm just going to put all this aside right now, and we're going to be moving on to the Neewer LED video lighting kit. Like the box says, this has 2 diffusers and the light kit, and that's it. There's no batteries included with this at all. So go ahead and get this out of here. So we've got the light itself. We're just going to set that down. We've got all the pamphlets and we've got the battery connection. Sorry, the windsock is shedding apparently. So this is the Neewer CN-216. This is a great on-camera light, and this thing is bright, really bright. But the good thing about it is, though, that it has a dimmer switch, as you can see right here. Now, I don't have this plugged in yet, and I'll show you this here in a second. So this is a dimmer control, which gives you various levels of brightness. So you can turn it up, or you can turn it down, and then click off. Now, it does have a standard hot shoe, which is right here at the bottom, as you can see. Right there, which, like the Rode shock mount, allows you to connect this right to your camera or other mount that accepts a hot shoe. So to power this thing, you're going to need 6 AA batteries, or any of the following Sony MP series or Panasonic series batteries. Now, these are the rechargeable batteries that usually plug into your cameras, which is not included with the light, but does come with a battery adapter for the Panasonic series. So the Sony ones will just fit right in here. But if you have a Panasonic battery, you're going to need this adapter that comes with it. Now, I'm going to go ahead and plug in a battery, which you saw earlier. I have these batteries from Amazon and everything I bought from Amazon. And these are from DSTE, just a cheap off-brand battery. I'm going to check them out, see if they're good. They should be fine. So I'm going to plug this in and we'll be right back. All right, so now that that's plugged in, the batteries that I have are the NP-F550 batteries. Now, to recharge these batteries, you're going to need a battery pack charger, which I have right here. And all the links will be down in the description for everything that's shown on this video. So that we're going to use for later when we want to recharge these things. So the Neewer also, when you have a battery plugged in, you have a little battery light indicator. So when you hit that, and it's going to tell you. So this one tells me 2 lights left, so that means it's about half charge. So it'll be good for this demonstration of the video. But now, I'm going to try not to turn this up too bright, but as soon as we turn this on, it's going to be really bright. And this thing gets really bright. As you can see here, my camera's even getting affected by it. This is a really great on-camera light. Let me just kind of bring it up here to where it's going to be. So even just up a little bit, you can see it's already adding a lot of light to everything, as you can see there. Too bright though, like this is how bright the thing can get. I'm just showing you right now. Hopefully you can notice that on camera here, but I think about halfway, somewhere around there is perfect for what I'm going to be doing with these unboxing videos. So that's great. So, oh, wrong way. So we're going to go ahead and turn that off. Now you're probably wondering what this is. This is a diffuser. This will allow you to diffuse the light so that way you're not getting any harsh shadows with this light. So this will diffuse the light a little bit, make the shadows a little softer. So I'll show you a demonstration of without the diffuse light on it. So as you can see, the shadows on here are just a little bit harsher, as you can see there, right at the back of that box. But if I plug the diffuser in, the shadows are a little bit softer. So that does help quite a bit. So I'm just going to turn this off. And as you can see, yeah, the light's a little bit worse without this. So I'm glad I'm going to be using this. And I'm really happy that this is just, it's great light. So the rest of the video, actually, let me just put all this stuff away. Oh, I actually forgot. You get this as well. This is a holding pack for your diffusers. So this is an amber light. So let me actually show you that really quick. I completely forgot about that. So this is the amber diffuser. And this is if you want a little bit of daylight in here. So if I put this on and put it up a little bit, you probably won't be able to tell in this video, but it does give everything a little bit of a daylight look to it. And that's really bright. Oh my gosh. Let's turn that off. So we're going to take this off. We are going to put the diffuser back in its carrying case right there. And we're going to just set these off to the side. I'm going to put this back on here. And we're actually going to start using this and show you the difference. So this is the before and this is the after. So as you can see here, it's a lot better. I'm just going to turn this up a little bit. See, we can actually see things a lot better now. I can bring this box a little closer. And we got to be careful with glare like that, though, in some of these boxes. So a little testing. It's going to take a little testing for everybody to kind of get on this. You're never going to get rid of glare on boxes like this. But yeah, I think this is a great... So now, to give you a little bit more information about this light, I'm just going to bring the box back over here. The Neewer LED video lighting system says just that. It's a CN-216, and that means that there's 216 super bright LED bulbs, which helps provide optimal illumination and has a lifespan of up to about 50,000 hours, which is amazing. Now, for the next part of the video, we're going to go ahead and attach the microphone. I'm going to plug this in, and we're going to see what it sounds like. All right, so now we're recording with a VideoMicro from Rode. As you can tell, this is quite a difference in quality. big quality difference than the microphone built into your phone. So I really advise that you get one of these if you're wanting to set up videos or go professional with it. This is a really inexpensive mic. All the information is going to be down below and up on the screen as well, just to show you. So yeah, that's a before and after of with the mic and the light and without. If you want to see what it's like without, go ahead and go back to the beginning of the video and then come back to this and you'll see the big difference. All right, well, that's it for today's video. I want to thank everybody for watching. Remember to like the video if you liked it, or dislike if you hated it. Make sure to comment and share, and I will catch you on the next video. See ya.